Bananika, and today I'm going to show you how to make mini clay donuts. For this craft, you will need puffy paint, clay sprinkles or glitter sprinkles, cloud clay or model magic, and Mod Podge. I have spray on Mod Podge, but normal Mod Podge will work good too. Take a chunk of cloud clay and roll it into a ball that's 1 inch in diameter. Here is a ruler so you can see. Here into a long cylinder, and then wrap it around your pinky finger into a donut shape. Let the donut dry for about 2 days, or until you think it is dry, in a dry room. Pick a color of puffy paint that you would like the frosting of your donut to be colored like. When you squirt the puffy paint on, if there's little gaps, you can use the nozzle to fill them in. Right after applying the puffy paint, you will want to apply the sprinkles so that they stick. You can make as many donuts as you like. The puffy paint on the donuts will take 2 days to dry. Make sure to not put anything over it or the puffy paint will smear. Then, take it into a room or outside to put Mod Podge on. Hope you liked how your donuts turn out. Remember not to eat them. Bye!